Hey again, everyone. Just gonna do a quick video of the Lingenfelter oil tower plug kit. Pretty easy to do. They do make valley covers that are supposed to plug these off, but as you can see, you get carbon buildup. This one had one on it. 6.0 block doesn't have the AFM. It actually had the stock cover that's blocked these off. You can see this carbon buildup over time that could happen if you let the oil get up in here, and then that valley cover is not going to actually plug anything. So this is just more reassurance to me if I'm going through this and I know that I'm not going to have the AFM, to just block those off. And you can still use the non-AFM valley cover here as an added protection. You can see I already did a few of these compared to the ones that I'm about to show you. Real easy tool to use, awesome tool. So especially if you're doing one of these, or if you plan on doing multiple, definitely worth getting to do this here. So let me get this set up just to show you real quick on how this works. Your first kit, this tool, when I bought it, was $100, and then I believe I bought it from Summit. It comes with 8 of the plugs, so you can actually do up to 3 motors with this one. So you're going to take your arms, spread them out just a hair. Keep spreading them out till that drops all the way flush. And you're going to pull it in tight, so that way it doesn't want to fall out. Try to keep this as flush as you can. All the way out, and then all the way in. Go to snap, keep this closed so you don't drop this down in there. I've got my block torn down, so it doesn't matter, it'll just fall out. Turn it up, you hear it fall down in the plastic bottle down there. Pure fashion. I got my other one over here. If you don't have your block all the way torn down though, especially be careful, you don't want to drop this down into the bottom of the oil pan, then you have to tear it all the way down basically. Anyway, just create more work for yourself than you need. Okay. So go in first and then out. And that is that. So you can see now all of my towers are nice and mechanically plugged. Completely worth it. Again, you'll see guys, I saw guys like, well, what if I just tap it and then run a bolt through it? And then run the bolt through the valley cover. Don't really need to do that. This makes it super easy. I just did all those in 5 minutes maybe. So definitely worth it if you're going to be building one of these and taking out the AFM. I'd highly recommend it. So the Lingenfelter, the oil tower plug kit, you just type in LS oil valley plug or oil tower plug, this will pop up. So go ahead and get that for yourself. Definitely help things out.